welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you how I steam my hair. I'm just gonna make some home remedy hair steaming. Yeah, so in this process I'm gonna use two eggs. I'm gonna use the olive oil. I'm gonna use the honey, and in this I have coconut oil. I boiled it, so I'm gonna grate my coconut. I'm gonna boil it down to the oil. Yes, I'm gonna boil down my coconut to the oil. So I'm gonna get the oil. I'm gonna put the oil in this bottle. So I have oil in it, and I have the aloe vera. So oil and aloe vera mix up. Coconut oil and aloe vera mix up in it. So I'm gonna use this olive oil with your honey and my 2 eggs. Yes, so I'm going to break my eggs. Yes, I need one little fork, I need one little bowl. Ew. So me have one bad egg. So yes, when I egg this boil, start over again. One fresh farm egg. Right. Fresh farm egg. Raw. Raw, 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 raw. So put some honey, and the honey I may have a real honey. I know honey we mix with well they feed this bees with sugar. This is the real honey and the real coconut oil. Yes, the honey. My cousin raised these. And the coconut oil I made it, so the egg now, and I come and pour it again. And the olive oil, I buy by. So I'm gonna mix it together. Mix everything. My hair kind of the break, so I'm gonna try to see if we can steam it. Just put the egg whites, but I use everything what I egg. I'll use egg whites and some. I use what I egg with all of the mixture that I tell you before. So my mixture is this. All this I put in here. All of this now. So you get one towel and you put around your iron things because this is a liquid, so you might catch your clothes. Then you section it here. I just section it in two. Come here, well thick, you know, well thick. See, come on. Hold it over here. So me go twist here so for the time being. And I'm going to work on this one. This part. So dip your hand in a heat, take up it. And it doesn't smell bad. Because looking at my face, it doesn't smell bad. The honey, take away around this the olive oil. Tend to do it as him get moisture. Really break. Yeah. Next time, sorry. So I'm just gonna wrap up this one. Can I use alcohol? Rubber band, hold it. Then I'm onto this side. So it's same process. Same mucky process. Yes, me like raw egg, but you know, smell now we can honey take away scent. You can use gloves. See, Mickey, the egg and everything can get in all the part of your hair. Everywhere over here, all over your hair. My hair really thick. Let me say thick, really thick. Really thick. So all of the moisturizer, yeah. Everything will go in my hair. Everything in my hair really thick. Thick. And the premiere like 2 weeks ago. The break. A lot of breakage. Yes, there's some part inside there women I really did catch. Yes, so I can have my ear drop off. So that's that. So I just push it back and put my steam back cap on my hair for about an hour. About an hour. So after I wash my hair, blow dry it, then we come back on camera. So I'm about to wash out. So it's about 1 hour, like 1.5 now. And see there. Well, my stove. So so me I go wash it out now. Go wash it out and then yes, after steaming, yes, so you know, after steaming and blow dry, you don't have to blow dry, you can make it dry by itself, towel dry or whatever, just make it just dry. But yes, the blow dry and then you go blow dry off camera and you go flat iron it off camera and then you go show you what it look like after the flat iron. So this is what it look like after blow dry and steam. So you see it. Now here now come off in I comb again. Now here. And then you're gonna use this before me flat iron, you're gonna use this here. Right. This is what my hair look like after I steam, wash, blow dry, flat iron, and put my optimum oil therapy hair oil therapy in. This is what it look like. Yes. So yep. So please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe for more video, and please remember to click the notification bell down below, so as soon as I upload a new video you get an alert. So thank you for watching, guys. Yes, and please remember to leave a comment. Yes, thank you for watching.